All right, we got to start with Macy's, right? Because their shares have been all over the map this morning. Ticker M. So the news seemed good right off the start. It topped third quarter earnings expectations, posted strongest same-store sales growth in 13 quarters, boosted its full-year guidance for adjusted earnings per share, right? Its net sales at Bloomingdale's rose, and that's actually gaining share from Saks Global, where sales are falling by double digits. Its Bluemercury net sales rose. So the CEO said they're well-positioned to enter the holiday season, but I think that's the issue. Investors wanted a little more from the holiday quarter. There were also a lot of positive reports back, before this, so the bar's up high.
I'm dumb. What's Bluemercury?
Bluemercury. Oh, that has all different things like perfumes and different
smelly stuff.
So, yes,
yeah, okay,
things like
Continue.
that. But that's the reason for that. Their shares are down more than 7% of that because the bar was set so high because of these past earnings reports from other retailers. So that's why we've seen their shares start this morning higher, and now they're back down as much as 7%. I want to stick with retail and go to American Eagle Outfitters. That's ticker AEO. Their shares have been up as much as 12% before the open. They raised their comparable sales guidance, reported net revenue third quarter topped estimates. American Eagle, they also own the Aerie, the Intimates brand too, so that's part of them. They had a few changes, right? They revamped their apparel offering. They had this flashy advertising. Remember that campaign with actress Sydney Sweeney? No relation to Paul. Yes, Sydney Sweeney. Yes.
Yeah, no relation.
No relation. They also had a campaign with NFL star Travis Kelce. Yeah. So they've had a couple things to kind of boost it. And they needed the turnaround because it's moving away from this weakness earlier this year. I mean, they pulled their full year guidance back in May because of discounts and also that write down in inventory. So we covered retail. I want to get to technology a little. We'll move to Marvell Technology, MRVL. Their shares up as much as 15%. So who is Marvell, right? So they help cloud computing companies like Amazon design custom chips to handle AI. That's what they do, basically. The company announced plans to acquire startup Celestial AI for at least $3.25 billion. So that was good news there. It also posted strong quarterly results, its forecast. So you add that together, and that's why those shares have been a lot higher. They also reassured investors custom chip design is going to win repeat orders. So they kind of would, this whole hoorah they were pushing and saying that custom chip sales are going to increase 20%.
You got one more here?
American Bitcoin, I just want to touch on quickly. ABTC. The reason I'm touching upon this is because, yes, it's a crypto miner, right? Co-founded by Eric Trump. Yesterday, their shares dropped 51% in 26 minutes. Before the open, though, they're starting to recover. And that's the story today. Their shares are up about 9%.
All right. So, I mean, crypto, it's the volatility in crypto is there. For people that kind of forgot about it. The volatility is there. It's back up about another 1.6% today, $93,000 per token. Boy, it went from like 125,000 down to like 80,000 in that, just a flick of a switch, and then coming back a little bit. So there you go. American Bitcoin.